So, this some simple tutorial how to reboot your PC if Windows was hanged. So, you can press the Windows plus X combination, then U. I have a Ukrainian display language, so my combination was different, but underscored letters tells what button needs to be pressed. In this section of the video, I explain some info about the different letters for the different display languages, but the main info remain intact. So, thanks for the viewing this tutorial, and we will see next time. Also, I will make more videos in English, so I will occupy more region of the English-speaking community. Thanks for the watching.